Welcome to the online class of English Grammar for grade 6. Here I am teacher Mrs. Naula. How are you, my dear students? I hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to do the topics of adjectives and order of adjectives on page number 101 and 102. First of all, we will do an exercise on page number 101. You will write the adjectives in the following sentences. Some sentences may have more than one adjective. As you know, what are adjectives? Adjectives are one of the most important parts of speech. The adjectives always give some description about nouns. Number 1. Anja and her mother visit the animal shelter every Saturday. Now in this sentence, the word animal is being used as an adjective. You will write animal on the line. The word animal is a noun in a sentence. If you say he has an animal, okay, then it will be a noun. But if you say it is an animal shelter, then the word animal will be an adjective for the noun shelter. Number 2, they bring pet supplies and dog treats when they visit. The words pet and dog are two adjectives in question number 2. Number 3, Anja walks the small dogs and her mom walks the big ones. The words small and big are two adjectives in question number 3. You will write these two adjectives on the line. Number 4, Anja likes to play with the cute cats. The word cute is an adjective in our question number 4. Number 5, she especially likes the Siamese kittens. The word Siamese will be our answer for number 5. Please write Siamese as the answer on the small line. Siamese, S will be capital. Now we will do exercise B. You will write the predicate adjectives in the following sentences. Some sentences may have more than one predicate adjective. Now your concept is quite clear about the sense of adjective. What are predicates? Predicates are the part of a sentence which usually contain verb, object, and object complements. And within an object complement, you will find the adjectives. But it's not necessary for any sentence to have object complement every time. Subject and predicate are two parts or ingredients of a sentence. Subject is a person or thing doing an action. And within a predicate, you will have verb, helping verb, and object. And maybe there will be an object complement. If you delete subject in a sentence, then the remaining part of the sentence will be called a predicate. And within that predicate, we have to find the adjectives. Here is our question number 6 on page number 101. Most of the animals at the shelter are friendly, but some are shy. Now the words friendly and shy are two adjectives. The bulldog barks at visitors, but he is nice. The word nice is an adjective here. You will write it on the line. Number 8, the terrier seems sweet and playful. The words sweet and playful are two adjectives. Number 9, the kittens are frisky too. The word frisky is an adjective in this sentence. You will write. And the last one, all the animals seem happy to have visitors. All the animals seem happy to have visitors. Now the word happy is an adjective in this sentence. Now we will do an exercise about the order of adjectives. My dear students, what happens sometimes, there are more than 2 or 3 or 4 adjectives for one noun. Now what is the rule? How you can write all the 2 or 3 adjectives for one noun properly in a sentence? This is how you will understand in our today's lesson. When more than one adjective is used to describe something, the adjectives follow a particular order. Before we do the exercise, you must go through some fundamental rules. I have explained all the rules with examples. Rule number 1, opinion adjectives come before size adjectives. Now the words large and beautiful are two adjectives. Large is a size adjective. Beautiful is an opinion adjective. You will write these two adjectives properly in a sentence. This is a beautiful large room. Correct. I need a large beautiful slate. Wrong. Why it is wrong? Because I am using a size adjective before the opinion adjective. I should have used opinion adjective before the size adjective in a sentence to get it clear. Rule number 2. Size adjectives come before age adjectives. Now young and small are two adjectives. Young is an age adjective. Small is a size adjective. I have a young small cat. It is wrong. He has a small young cat. It is correct. Now why it is a correct sentence? Because I have used a size adjective before the age adjective. Clear? Now rule number 3. Age adjectives come before color adjectives. Now the words golden and old are two adjectives here. The word golden is a color adjective. Old is an age adjective. I have to use these two adjectives in a sentence according to the sense of rule number 3. It is a golden old fish. Wrong. It is an old golden fish. Correct. Rule number 4. Color adjectives come before material adjectives. Now the words plastic and yellow are two adjectives. The word plastic is a material adjective. The word yellow is a color adjective. Now I have written two sentences. You can see one will be wrong, the other is correct according to the thematic feature of rule number 4. We need a plastic yellow tub. This is a wrong sentence because I am not using two adjectives properly according to the meaning of rule number 4. I have to use color adjective before the material adjective. We need a yellow plastic tub. Then it will be a 100% correct sentence. Now we will do the main exercise on page number 102. You will write the sentence using each group of adjectives. Make sure to put the adjectives in the proper order. Question number 1 has only two adjectives. You can write any sentence. It's not necessary to carry what I'm writing. You can write your own creativity, but the sentence should have correct spelling, meaning, and the good order of adjectives. The two adjectives are red and new. My dear students, red is a color adjective. New is an age adjective. We have to use them according to the order. They are using a new red carpet. Your answer will be they are using a new red carpet. Number 2, young and tiny. Young is an age adjective. Tiny is a size adjective. Now your answer will be his brother has a tiny young kitten. His brother has a tiny young kitten. You can write any sentence, but there should be a good order of adjectives. Number 3, pretty yellow. Now we have to use these two adjectives for one noun. There are so many pretty yellow flowers in the lawn. The sentence is 100% okay. But if you say there are so many yellow pretty flowers, then it will not be okay. Please write the sentence, there are so many pretty yellow flowers in the lawn. Sentence number 4 will be, there is a big brown cardboard in the room. I have written this sentence as the answer for our question number 4 according to the sequence of adjectives. Big is a size adjective. Cardboard is a material adjective. Brown is a color adjective. We have to use all these three adjectives in a proper order. I will repeat the answer. There is a big brown cardboard in the room. And the last one, we have got 4 adjectives: marble, interesting, white, old. Marble is a material adjective. Interesting is an opinion adjective. White is a color adjective. Old is an age adjective. We have to use these 4 adjectives properly in a sentence. I have written one sentence. Please write it the same as your answer on the line. We have got so many old, white, interesting marble balls. We have got so many old, white, interesting marble balls. This is how you will complete the answer for question number 5. So far we have done some lessons on page number 101 and 102. What is your homework? You will revise these exercises about the adjectives. Thank you very much for attending the online class. See you next time with a new lesson. Till then, bye bye.